how is gold actually made? It's not just a shiny piece of jewelry. Behind it is intense heat, powerful machines, skilled craftsmanship, and a process most people have never seen before. In this video, you'll witness the complete journey of gold production, from raw material to pure finished gold. Every step is shown in detail: melting, refining, shaping, and final polishing. Some moments will truly surprise you. If you've ever wondered how gold is created inside factories, this video will keep you hooked till the very end. Make sure to watch the full video, because the final step is the most satisfying and shocking part of the entire process.
Look at the crystallization here. It suggests high pressure alteration.
Yes, and the porosity matches the seismic data from the rig.
Look at that right there.
That's incredible native gold.
We need to send this for assay immediately.
Tailings dams are engineered structures holding billions of tons of waste. They are designed, built, and modified.
Cyanide leaching requires alkaline pH to prevent formation of deadly hydrogen cyanide gas. Lime is added continuously to maintain pH.
All units, maintain perimeter. We are buttoning up. Got it. Bring the next card over.
The manifest is signed and the seals are verified. This shipment is ready for transit.
Seals verified, everything is in order.
Sign and date, line 3.
Thank you. We'll secure this now.
As you can see on the assay certificate, this 1 ounce bar is certified 99.99 pure gold.
And this serial number matches the one etched on the bar itself.
Yeah.
Here is your 1 ounce gold bar in the velvet pouch and the assay certificate.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I appreciate it.
The upper die descends under 200 tons of pressure, forcing gold into every detail. The blank is now a
10 coins exactly, just as the invoice states.
Thank you. Let me take a closer look at this one.